te wā? Who's got the time? Oh, 8:51, 5 to 9, 1 o'clock. Ka pai, it's Taranaki Tūmai time, ne? I want to stand up and do a quick mihi to our kai whakawā. We had a few changes over the couple of days e te whānau, and we know what kaupapa is like, yes? How many pōtai do we wear, whānau? Can't even show me on your hands, can you? That's how many pōtai we all wear. So we know and we acknowledge those that had to go away and had to be with whānau, and we know that they did their absolute best to get our ringins in, because we're really good, some good quality kai whakawā here, and we know that they're the ringins and they came at the last minute, and we absolutely acknowledge every single one of you. I think it's Matua Clive and cousin Hemi are our only two that were registered mairano, and everyone else came in and said, I will help you. So I acknowledge exactly what you had to do to get here and how you came to be here. You'll see that we've got some Ngāti Tama tops coming out. They're here to help you too, whānau. So if you, oh yes, thank you, Tweke. Ngāti Tama's in the whare. Our whānau and our whānau that's small on the ground, but we want to make it rumble, just like I can see them rumbling in there. Shall we bring them out? Ka pai. Ho mai te piki paki paki. Kua riti koutou. Hara mai. I don't think they're ready now. Hara mai. Ho mai te paki paki. Just here, babe. Come over. Can you see the line? Come back a bit. Come back a bit. Good girl. Get bites out of it. Who can tell me what iwi we have up first this morning? Ngāti mutunga, kōrero mai? Are you guys Ngāti mutunga? Aye? I just tested them. I told them to be nice and still and focus, and they just went, aye? Kei te pai, kei te pai. Nuku mai ki te taha. Whakapiri, right in, right in. Whakapiri mai. I can see some of the eyes flicking over to the side there. We've got a couple of whakahua that we brought on. And I know that we have our tamariki and the kawe of this kōrero are sometimes pretty deep. But up on the stand there by cousin is Uncle Les. And so Uncle Les, you would have seen as our guitarist last year, and he's been our po for a very long time. So I said to the adults, you're going to have to swallow that, and we're going to sing for Uncle Les. I asked our rōpū, our tamariki, what sort of a koro was Uncle Les? And what did you say? Cheeky. They told me straight. I didn't even finish the sentence, and they said cheeky. So we might be singing to our Uncle Les, but I told them, you know, he wanted you to be cheeky. So that's what the kids told me, and that's what we're going to do. And we all know, and you might not know, but at Uranui, we got Auntie Dee, and we will go and see the whānau, Melissa and Mary, at Ngāti Mutunga straight after our performance. We want to take our rōpū straight out there. So we made sure we brought her with us on the stage and paid that acknowledgement. So you'll hear our kupu e te whānau. I'm still stalling because I can see our whānau walking in. Kia ora Ngāti Mutunga, hara mai, hara mai, hara mai. Kia tere, I mean hara mai, hara mai. Ka pai. I'm letting my kids have a breather, because we remembered how we were breathing. Last week, maybe 2 weeks ago, we went up to our rest home, just up by Whaitapu Wainorongo, and we went and performed our whole bracket to our kaumātua who couldn't come today. Absolutely beautiful to see Uncle Ray and all of our other kaumātua there, and just the pride that they had for our tamariki and the pride our tamariki had. Again, us adults were just crying the whole time. But hey, kei te pai, we got all the way through. So we left our best for our kaumātua there, and we're going to bring our best again today after a big day of sports. Oh, kia ora, Kazi. Come on. Ka pai? What's the time now? Is it still 1 o'clock? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. E toru ngā miniti. Ka pai whānau, hara mai. It's a tight squeeze. I'm sure there are people outside watching from the truck as well. And here's our most important member. Oh, Auntie's giving everyone a kiss, sorry. Oh, she's going for the road? No, she's not. Come on, Auntie. Thank you, Twiki. We love you, Auntie. Take a breather. Have a breather. What was Uncle? Cheeky. What was Uncle? Ka pai. Don't know if they're telling themselves or me. Kei te pai. Are we ready to whānau? Whai ngā ranga hea te wā. E rua miniti kei te toi. Oh, and we've got some babies coming in. Hara mai, babies. Hara mai. Hiwa, are you ready? What iwi are you from?
Ngāti Matina.
Oh, ko wai
Hiwa.
Hiwa, ko hiwa tēnei. Kia ora hia, ko wai tō ingoa. What's your name?
Paisley.
Paisley.
Te araroa. Harper.
Oh, aren't they beautiful? Te toko whā. You girls ready? Kore te tātou? We got this. Ka pai, tēnā tātou. E mihi ana. Ki raro, kia wiri.
Ai te paki paki Ngāti Mutunga.